One morning, I opened my fridge, and a dinosaur stepped out. But don't worry, he wasn't a carnivore. He was vegan. Looking for a slice of cold watermelon, he said. Got any chilled watermelon? I replied, Bro, it's 8 a.m. What watermelon? He frowned and shut the fridge, only to realize he was now outside, and the fridge was a portal to another dimension. Then something walked across the kitchen, a single olive inside a jar. It spoke if a Zamazingo spins backward. Everything becomes a cucumber. Meanwhile, I was cooking chicken, but the chicken screamed, I'm vegan too, and jumped off the pan. Now the chicken, the olive, and the dinosaur joined forces to open an interdimensional door. Me, I still haven't had my coffee.